Hey guys, I got a brand new air purifier box fan filter design here, and it is $15 cheaper than the last one because we're only using 2 filters instead of 4. The other cool thing is this one has the fan in a vertical direction, which actually is going to make it last longer and prevent the bearings from overloading and getting XX friction on them. The third cool thing is now the air velocity going into this fan is spinning, right? And since this is in a triangular pattern, that air velocity is coming out, if you imagine, in a spiral, right? And what the triangle is doing is unspiraling the air, which makes it much more efficient from an airflow dynamics perspective. I can stand 10 feet away from this thing with a paper towel here, and it'll blow the paper towel. And I mean, that's crazy. This is so much more airflow than the last one. Anybody that's concerned about restriction on this or whatever, they're lost their mind. This is flowing so much better. Try this out, guys.
Hey, so I think these Corsi Rosenthal boxes are fantastic. There are various modifications that have been used for a while, and so I'm going to go over a couple of them for you. Here's a collage from 2021 showing different designs that you can do with the Corsi Rosenthal box. This one uses an additional air filter that's raised above the ground to get even more air filtration. And look, here's that wedge one that was shown earlier. Want to learn more about these different variations of Corsi Rosenthal boxes? You really should check out this group because they've got a really good section and how-to videos on how to do it. Keep in mind with this wedge design, you want the air to flow out so that it's drawing air through the filters to come out as clean air, and then you want the arrows from the air filters to be pointing inwards inside the box. Did this DIY approach to air cleaners blow your mind? Let me know in the comments section and have a nice day.